Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rosemead, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team offers the right options for your long-distance moving needs. We provide full-service moving options or basic options. Even if you just want us to transport your things, we can help. Moving day is stressful. With our help, it becomes easier. Whether you're going 100 miles or 3,000 miles, we can help you. We offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Finding a good California moving company might not seem necessary for a local move. Just because you only have to travel a few miles across the city doesn't mean your move won't require plenty of work. With a local moving company, you don't have to do the heavy lifting. We will also help you save plenty of time. When you choose 3 Movers, you get a streamlined moving process for moving day. Our team offers all the necessary services for your local move. It would take you all weekend to move, and we can do it in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rosemead moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.